2025-2026 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 represents the next evolution of American muscle, taking the legacy of raw power, track-focused engineering, and unmistakable style to an entirely new level. It's a machine built for enthusiasts who crave a driver-first experience, where performance is the priority and every design choice serves a purpose. While the Camaro lineup has seen several iterations over the years, the Z28 badge has always carried special weight, symbolizing the most aggressive, purist-oriented version in the family. The new generation stays true to that identity while embracing modern engineering, improved handling systems, and updated technology that meets today's demands without compromising the soul of a muscle car. At the heart of the 2025-2026 Camaro Z28 is expected to be a naturally aspirated V8 designed for maximum responsiveness and high-revving excitement. Chevrolet's commitment to a purist performance philosophy often means dialing back on forced induction in favor of raw mechanical engagement. With power projected to land well above 500 horsepower, the Z28 focuses not simply on straight-line speed but a balanced performance envelope suitable for street and track. Engineers have leaned heavily on advancements from Chevrolet's motorsports programs, optimizing airflow, cooling, and weight distribution for consistently strong lap times. A lightweight construction approach is central to the Z28 identity, so expect carbon fiber components, thinner glass, and an emphasis on reducing unnecessary mass. Handling has always been a defining trait of the Z28, and the 2025-2026 model takes this to the next level with an upgraded magnetic ride control system, track-tuned suspension geometry, and a wider stance that improves stability at high speeds. Larger Brembo brakes provide exceptional stopping power, and the combination of sticky performance tires and a revised limited slip differential gives the car remarkable cornering capability. Chevrolet's engineers have also worked to elevate structural rigidity, ensuring the chassis responds instantly to driver input. The result is a car that feels confident and planted even under the most demanding conditions. Design plays an equally important role in the Z28's character. The exterior is more aggressive than the standard Camaro, featuring a functional aerodynamic package that includes a deep front splitter, sculpted side skirts, and a high downforce rear spoiler. These elements aren't just for visual flair, they actively optimize airflow and improve cooling for the engine and brakes. Wider fenders accommodate the performance-oriented wheel and tire setup, and the front fascia features larger air intakes that underline the car's track-ready purpose. Subtle touches, like Z28 badging and optional matte or satin paint finishes, express its performance pedigree. Inside, the cabin blends modern technology with a stripped-down, performance-centric philosophy. Expect heavily bolstered sport seats, a flat-bottom steering wheel, and available Alcantara trim for improved grip. Chevrolet keeps the interior functional and driver-focused, but modern conveniences like a digital instrument cluster, advanced connectivity features, and customizable driving modes ensure the Z28 remains usable for daily driving. Safety and driver assist technologies are integrated in a way that doesn't interfere with the pure performance feel. The 2025-2026 Camaro Z28 stands out not just as a new model year update, but as a symbol of what performance cars can still be in an era dominated by hybrids and electrification. It's a celebration of internal combustion, engineering precision, and the visceral thrill of driving. Whether carving up a racetrack or cruising on open roads, the Z28 delivers a rare blend of aggression, responsiveness, and authenticity that continues the legacy of one of Chevrolet's most iconic performance names. It's more than a car. It's an experience built for those who refuse to let the spirit of true muscle fade.